Welcome back to Gadgets, Gimmicks and Tech. It's been quite a while since we did some videos, and I'm really excited about this one because this has been very kindly sent to us from Feiyutech. I don't think anybody else at the moment has got one in the UK. It's their brand new 4K action camera, the Ricca, and it has a 12 megapixel Sony IMX377 CMOS sensor in it, so I'm actually rather interested to see what this is looking like. We're just going to unbox it for today, and then in a few other videos we shall have a look at how it performs. It comes in a nice little box there with shrink wrap plastic, and I'll open that up. It looks like it's got the usual sort of GoPro standard mounts to it. It's an all metal body as well, which is very nice. Rather than a lot of these action cameras are plastic, this is metal, and it feels really nice. Now the camera is equipped with a 155 degree f2.8 lens, housed in an aluminium body, and it has a nice 2.35 inch touch screen on the rear. It's also got ×7 digital zoom, 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer. It records in JPEG, RAW and MP4, both in H.264 and H.265. And it's also got adaptive noise reduction for low light scenes. 4K camera, as I say, up to 30 frames a second, this one. Although it'll do 120 frames a second in 1080 HD. So that's the camera, and yes, we've got a number of GoPro style mounts for it. Let's put those down. The usual slider, and also in the box we've got a little instruction booklet in both English and Chinese. The battery is a 1400 milliampere hour battery, which they claim will last up to 2 hours. And then you've got a little charging lead, USB charging lead, and a lanyard. The camera is waterproof to a depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes as it is, but you can also get a underwater housing for going scuba diving, etc. It's a really nice looking camera, and in subsequent videos we're going to have a look at how it performs and what it can do. There is an app that comes with it that you can download from the Feiyutech website, and that will enable you to adjust more controls with it. But come back again soon and we'll have some more videos on it.